some change. It's all good. It's all good. I'm still hoping that today is going to be a lot better than yesterday. Because yesterday, yesterday. Oh my goodness. So, I don't know if I'm going to make it back in time to, you go ahead. You go ahead. I'm going to make it back in time to get my truck battery installed, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll do that, at the end of the week. Because, I got places to go and people to see. I got things to do, you know what I'm saying? So, anyways, I got the AC cranked, and it was like 90 something yesterday. I don't know what it is today, but it's hot. I know that. Oh, the truck says it's 100 degrees. It's 100. It's hot. It's hot. We ain't even left South Carolina yet. It's hot. So, anyways, it's okay. It's all good. I got some much needed sleep last night, and let me tell you, you can handle life stress so much better when you've had good sleep. Like, I've watched myself even on camera. There is a very, very distinct difference between a well-rested Christy and a stressed out Christy. And I don't like stressed out Christy either. Like, it's just not. These people are gonna let me over. Jerks. Alright, we got one. Good deal. Thank you. Appreciate it. I got a lot more tires than you, so I need a lot more space, so I appreciate it. So anyways, but we are on our way to Florida. My paperwork says they close at 2. I don't know if that was an old memo and they just printed it out on the schedule and just haven't erased it, or if that still applies to today for me, because if it's 2 o'clock, we some kind of late. Just some kind of late. We're trying to get out of the right lane because there's lights flashing all over, and then these people here got over in the right lane to try to drive up to the dinger. I'm gonna be nice and let you over. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, oh man. They got a little parking lot off to the right, and then there's a train track. I think you got to drive across, and yeah, it's a little bit. Yo, buddy, get your hair right, get your face looking good. Hot date with Al's Plumbing Service. Oh gosh, can you imagine? I think the only thing that would probably top that is if date showed up in a DirecTV van or something. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, it's funny. Oh my goodness. Alright, I will be right back. Wow. Yeah, I've been here before. You know, we go to so many places until after a while I just kind of like forget the names, but then like I'll remember the freaking landscape, you know, or somebody's random pasture that I had to pass or whatever to get to it or whatnot. And so it's kind of like, yeah. Oh, I'm bad about that. Anyways, but yeah. Alright, so dock 1, I believe, the very first one. So we're gonna swing wide. I think the last time I had to shut my truck off and disconnect my air hose or something, and then they put this little stop sign thing out in front of the truck. Some shenanigans like that. Yeah. Alright. I got the dude's done opened up the dock door there, so that's good. That's very, very good. Oh gosh. You don't. Let's see. Oh goodness. Change this. So apparently we got 88 drums. So we loading on here. And we're good. Fantastic. Let's go. I was listening to a guy the other day on Instagram. Somebody was asking him, you know, of the trucks he had driven, did he have, you know, which one was his favorite? And he was like, you know, I really like the 13 speed. And hey now, truck, come on, let's get to the dock today. It's like let's not hit that dang metal bar. That was a bad lightning bolt. He's like, yeah, he said, I've finished my story here. Oh, jeez. Thank you. He was like, but yeah, I would much rather have 13 speed. He said, because the freaking automatics, they're ramming the dang docks, and then they're spinning the tires, and it's just like freaking. I was like, absolutely. Yeah, I agree 100%. And anyways, I don't remember the last time I was in Florida and it was cloudy and like so much sunshine. Like I was squinting behind sunglasses. I literally drove. I think, matter of fact, the last time I drove through Florida, I almost said California, there literally was like, there was no clouds, like the whole stretch that I drove. I was like, good night, Bo. I love it when I get scam text about how rich I am, you know, the properties and such and such and such. Or my other favorite is student loans. I've never had a student loan ever. I can only think of one time where like my identity was stolen, and they were just as broke as I was. And I was just like, huh. I was hoping opposites would attract. Like, I would be the broke version, and then the new version of me would be rich. They didn't get the memo. So, alright guys, we are loaded. I'm gonna hop out real quick and shut my trailer doors. I gotta get a flat spot, or flat earth spot, so that my trailer brake, or not trailer brakes, listen, my trailer doors will shut. So, anyways, but we are leaving. Oh boy, I have just enough room. Oh my goodness. Oh, big turn, big turn, big turn. You buddy. Big turn. Boy, yeah, when I was coming down this way earlier, it was literally a guy. He was high as a kite. He had his little purse and his little black and white striped shirt, some camo pants. I was like, bro, it is and that's not in style no more, buddy. That's not in style. Anyway, these lanes are very narrow and I don't like it. I really don't like it. Very, very narrow. I was sitting here driving down the road the other day, and I was sitting there, I've been losing all this weight, since doing keto and stuff, and I was just like, I said, I've lost more weight just changing what I eat than I ever did walking on the treadmill and stuff, and just walking around, rest areas and truck stops and whatnot. I'm kind of, on one hand, I kind of wish I hadn't bought the dang treadmill, but on the other hand, I didn't know, so it's kind of like one of those things I wish I could get my money back, but that's old, water under the bridge. On the right side though, completely different story. I ordered my truck battery, and hopefully I should be able to get back before it's like super dark. I don't know. Anyways, but my mom's gonna bring me my battery. Thank God. Otherwise, I'd be stuck at work at the terminal. I can't get home. My freaking truck won't crank. So, anyways, I got all of my tools and stuff, and so hopefully that fixes my truck. Like I said earlier, I looked at the battery sticker, and it's about 5 years old, so I guess it's about time to get a new battery. So kind of got my money's worth, So I talked with my mechanic because this weekend we're gonna try to get AC put back in my truck because the compressor thing went out. And so I got like 6 cans of Freon. So we're gonna flush the system out, or he's gonna flush the system out, and then add the Freon, put the new compressor and all that good stuff in, and hopefully that'll be all that needs to be done. And get stressed out, I get very pessimistic, and then I just like I start feeling sorry for myself, I start crying and whatnot, you know, like I'm really stressed out. And then when you take that and compound it with no good sleep, like I really just I can't handle it. I don't handle stress very well, you know. But once I get past that, I'll come back around, I'll start feeling better, and if I can have really good sleep, that really makes a world of difference. So I can be a problem solver at that point. It's like, yeah, this is, you know what, this is what I'm gonna do. We've got this. We totally got this. So anyways, but that's what I'm doing. I really ain't done much today. I've driven to Jacksonville and back, and like I said, I sat for like a little over 4 hours trying to get unloaded. So got that situated, and anywho, it's just been a long day today. It's been a good day. We only saw one wreck here today. I think I was technically in Florida. I think I just crossed over the line. Anyways, you guys will see that here in just a second. But yeah. So anyways, but yeah, I'm really, yeah. I talked with my mechanic too about it, and was pretty sure he hooked up the belt to the alternator, I guess, when he took my old AC pump thing out. I think that's what he said to me. I don't remember now. I'll drive down the road. I'm semi sort of paying attention. But anyway, I'm gonna go check that. But I'm pretty sure it's just a simple thing. My battery just it kapooted. So anyways, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back to my pickup, and we'll swap the batteries out, and then I'll get to go home, and then I'll get to get a shower, and I'll start smelling like a clean person again. So great, fan freaking tested, freaking happy about it. So stay tuned. Piece of junk. Remind me to get new freaking bolts. Can't even get down on there.
Okay, Christy.
And I get this.
You know, Christy.
Yeah.
I missed you today.
I missed you too.
It's been 3 days.
Yeah. I know.
Well, actually, it's been 2 days because today's day 3.
Yeah.
And you're here right now with me.
Having a lot of fun. Yeah.
I tried to do like a barn door, like this shape of a triangle.
Yeah.
And that looked bad. Real bad. So let's start over. Hey, you dropped your wrench.
I see it. Oh, you just keep doing it. Keep building stuff.
Yeah, keep practicing till you find something new. Well, keep building something you like, you know?
That's right.
It was supposed to be a surprise for you on the game so you could see it, but
I can't.
I have to build a better one than the one I built earlier.
Twist off. biscuit. Oh, it spooked me with it. Get that little electricity. Okay. Now pack up all my tools. Let's give this a try. Hopefully this actually I gotta put this in the thing. Let's see if it works. Seriously? Like what now?
Stop humming, Rachel.
I gotta put my dang.
Get on the camera.
Oh, dang, I'm so annoyed. Hello, camera. This is so frustrating. Go to work all day and your crap don't work. I don't know what to... My sister's still annoyed again.
Yeah. I'm guessing Geraldine is still at the shop.
Yeah. It ain't even getting no dang power on. I gotta turn the key.
So how was your day today?
It was
Good? Frustrating? Kinda good?
Good. It's frustrating. It's frustrating again. Right now.
I knew you would say that.
It's not. No freaking power.
Did you put the key in?
Yeah, I put the key in.
Did you turn it?
Yeah, I turned it.
The only way you can get power if you turn it all the way. You can't just like turn it a little bit. It doesn't do it. You know what I mean. It's like a car. Like it has a new battery. Turn it all the
Girl,
way.
I got it.
Turn it all the way instead of just turning a little bit. That doesn't do anything. See, that works. That's how.
Okay. I think the post here might not be tight enough or something. Something stupid.
No idea, girlie.
The positive.
Positive goes with the positive. Negative goes with the negative. Like you always told me.
Yeah.
Never thought I would have a sister who's a good teacher to me.
Yeah, try me.
Yeah.
I can't. This thing is here.
You are the star of a rainbow to me.
Oh dear.
It's a compliment. So believe me.
truck's running. I'm happy, and life is good again. So I'll see you guys, or we'll see you guys in the next vlog.